Creators, listen! Today I want to share something truly game-changing for anyone making content. Videos, images, text, you name it. If you've ever been blocked by credits, waitlists, watermarks, or subscription fees, Meta just dropped something you need to know about. They quietly rolled out a free AI creator tool that lets you generate images, videos, remixes, and yes, animate your ideas without limits for most users right now. Let me show you how to use it and why this could change your workflow. We'll walk through exactly how to use it, why it matters, and how it can plug into your creator workflow. Stick around till the end, and if you find this helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Most of us know the struggle. OLs, like Sora and Runway, powerful. But invites, caps, and cost hit hard. You want to create consistently, not just on the days your credits refresh. And relying on only one tool? Risky. All of which makes it frustrating for creators who just want to create. But what if you had a tool that doesn't lock you out and simply lets you create? That's exactly what Meta's offering. It may not yet be everywhere, but it's live and powerful, and you'll want this in your toolkit right now. Let's get into what this tool actually offers. Generate images from prompts. Turn images into animated scenes. Apply styles, 3D, anime, cinematic, illustrated, etc. Extend clips. Remix trending AI videos in the Vibes feed. Export in Reels, TikTok Vertical, or YouTube 16:9. And yes, it's currently free and open. No invite needed. This combination means you don't just generate static assets, you generate motion, style, and share-ready content. That's huge for creators. Okay, now let's walk through it together. Follow along and take notes. Step 1. Access the website. Go to Meta AI or use the link is in the description box. Step 2. Choose what you want to do. On the landing page, you'll see possibly 3 core paths. Vibes Remix. You look at existing videos. Choose one. Remix it by editing the prompt or style. Create. Start brand new from a prompt for images, videos. Explore. Inspiration. Browse community content, styles. Click Create to start fresh. Step 3. Generate an image prompt. Enter a prompt. Example, a futuristic city skyline at twilight, neon lights reflecting on water, cinematic 3D illustration, ultra wide angle. Hit Generate. You'll get a set of images, often 4, to choose from. Pick one you like. Step 4. Restyle, change art style. After picking an image, choose a style preset. Maybe anime illustrated, 3D realistic, cartoon hand-drawn. The tool regenerates the same scene, but in the new style. The environment stays consistent, lighting, perspective, composition, while the style shifts. That's powerful. Step 5. Animate, make video. Once your image is ready, click Animate or equivalent. Choose your aspect ratio. Vertical 9:16 for Reels, TikTok. Horizontal 16:9 for YouTube or full screen. Add an action prompt. Camera slowly pans right. Neon lights flicker. Flying cars swoosh past. The model then generates a short video clip. If you want more than a 5-second clip, use Extend Animation or Stretch Video feature. Step 7. Download and share. Once you're happy, download the video. It's now ready for upload to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You can also go back, remix the same video, change the music or style, and re-export. Let's contrast with Sora 2 and similar high-end tools and talk about why having this alternative matters. With Sora 2, Many are finding limited access via invites. Generations caps. Example 30. Watermarks. High cost when you scale. These factors create friction for creators who want flow, output, consistency. By contrast, Meta's tool offers minimal access barrier. You can jump in, no invite code required as of current rollout. Fewer usage caps or more generous, no watermark or less intrusive in many cases. Free or very low cost for core use. Built for creators and trends. Therefore, this tool is not about replacing Sora 2 entirely. Sora 2 might still have unique strengths in certain cinematic or niche high-end workflows. But for many creators, social media, brands, quick content, Meta's tool is more accessible. Meta's tool is more accessible, more flexible, and worth adding to your set. Think of it like you keep your high-end tool for major productions, but for consistent content, you use this pipeline. That way, you're never blocked. You always have something you can produce with. And in a fast-moving creator economy, that's gold. Before we wrap up, a few best practices to get the most out of this tool. Be descriptive in your prompts. More detail equals better visuals. Add action and mood to prompts. Specify aspect ratio early. Decide vertical versus horizontal before generating so you get optimized content. Use style presets wisely. Extend thoughtfully. Longer isn't always better. 10 to 15 seconds is great for social reels. Maintain movement, avoid static shots. Reuse and remix. Don't just create once. Tweak the prompt, change the style or music, generate another version. Pair up with your brand fonts, colors for consistency. All right, here's your move. Go now. Load the website for Meta's AI generator. Create your first prompt, generate an image, animate a short video, post it. After you've done it, come back here and drop a comment. What prompt did you use? I'll be reading them. If this breakdown helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more creator tools breakdowns, and share this with another creator who needs an accessible edge. Let's keep pushing our creativity forward. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.